What if new coral offspring could be seeded directly from the water surface from a boat? When corals are bred for restoration, they need to be transferred to the location where they will ultimately grow. In SECORE's coral seeding approach, coral babies are settled on seeding units. These units self-stabilize on the natural unevenness of the reef bottom. Typically, a diver wedges each seeding unit into a favorable spot. Now, our team has tested whether coral babies have the same chance of survival and growth rate if the seeding units are dropped onto the reef directly from the boat in bulk. The results are more than encouraging. In fact, scattering the units from a boat results in the same survival and growth rates for the coral babies as if the units were wedged in place. This is an important breakthrough for restoration efficiency, and thus for the large-scale implementation of coral seeding.